Okay, projector waiting for an invitation, solar plexus emotional. Alright, I'm also a projector. So basically we projectors, we are here to guide other people, guide their energy, but it's only when we are invited. So that's basically what I do for a living. I guide other people, but I need an invitation as a projector. You need to be invited because projector aura is very focused, it's very absorbing, it's very penetrating. We're not here to do a lot, to do much. We're here to see things and guide others if invited. So invitation for a projector feels like somebody recognizing you. It feels like somebody acknowledging you, feeling somebody saying, Dan, I see you. I see what you are capable of and I need your guidance. And only then do you give advice. For projectors, the worst thing is giving unsolicited advice, because everything you say to another person about them is going to be too much if they didn't ask for that. And then solar plexus emotional, that's your authority. That means you should never make decisions from your emotions. It means you need to be careful and know when you are very high on your emotional wave and when you're very low on your emotional wave, and never make decisions in those moments, but to wait for clarity over time. So projectors, we're gonna be very weird to other people. We're gonna be very, maybe lifeless, maybe lazy. Very different, very different projectors. For projectors, it's best to learn about it from another projector. So I can show you things. I can tell you good things on sessions if you want. But yeah, be very mindful of your energy. You're not here to do a 9 to 5. You're here to do like 4 hours max in a day. Maybe not even that much. But it needs to be very specific things, and you need to be invited. That must be nice. Dan says, definitely can't do a 9 to 5. Get tired and exhausted easily. I'm a yoga teacher. That's a good thing. Yoga teacher is sort of like an energy guide, right? So that's a really good projector thing.